Welcome to This Week in Williamsburg. I'm your host, Rebecca Suerdieck, curator of archivewilliamsburg.org. Now journey back in time with me. This week in 1897, a bicycle parade was held on Duke of Gloucester Street. Every person owning a two-wheeler was encouraged to arrive in costume and join the procession. Altogether, the parade included 60 bicycles. This week in 1920, many local churches hosted a special service in honor of the first Protestant communion in the New World, remembering Reverend Hunt, who celebrated the sacrament in a grove of trees at Jamestown. Services throughout Williamsburg were held open air. Join me next time for another edition of This Week in Williamsburg, brought to you by archivewilliamsburg.org and the Williamsburg Old Time Radio Hour, your source for hometown history, online, on stage, and on the air. I'm Rebecca Suerdieck.